Which of the following cities topped the Global Livability Index 2021 published by Economist Intelligence Unit, that is EIU? The correct answer is D, that is Auckland. Who won the Best Actress award in the British Academy Television Award, that is BAFTA 2021? The correct answer is B, that is Michaela Cole. What is the rank of India in Global Peace Index 2021 announced by Institute for Economics and Peace, that is IEP, Sydney? The correct answer is A, that is 135. So India has moved up 2 notches from its previous year's ranking to become the 135th most peaceful country in the world and the 5th in the region. Bhutan and Nepal are named as the first and second most peaceful in this region, and Bangladesh has been ranked 91 out of 163 countries in Global Peace Index for 2021. Who won the Player of the Match award in the first ICC World Test Championship? The correct answer is E, that is Kyle Jamieson. The World Health Organization has named 2 variant B.1.617.1 and B.1.617.2 of COVID-19. What is the name of the variant B.1.617.1? The correct answer is B, that is Kappa. Which country has become the first country in the world to grant legal tender status to Bitcoin? The correct answer is D, El Salvador. So one of the main knocks against cryptocurrency has always been that it will never gain universal adoption. This perhaps changed forever on September 7th, 2021 when El Salvador officially became the first country in the world to accept Bitcoin as legal tender. Which of the following countries is building the first naval ship that will be fully equipped with stealth technology to make it hard to detect? The correct answer is C, that is Russia. Russia is building its first naval ship that will be equipped with stealth technology to make it hard to detect. Which of the following states secured a first place in the Anemia Mukt Bharat Index 2020 or 2021? The correct answer is D, that is Madhya Pradesh. So Himachal Pradesh has climbed to the 3rd spot in the Anemia Mukt Bharat Index national ranking with score of 57.1, and Madhya Pradesh is at the first position with the score of 64.1, followed by Odisha with a score of 59.3. Which of the following state government has decided in its cabinet meeting to declare Deing Patkai Wildlife Sanctuary as the 7th national park of the state? The correct answer is A, that is Assam. So Assam government has decided to declare Deing Patkai Wildlife Sanctuary as the 7th national park of the state. What is the name of the Lieutenant Governor of Ladakh who launched a scheme called UNTAB, under which 12,300 tablets would be distributed among the students in the Union Territory? The correct answer is C, that is R.K. Mathur. So the Ladakh administration, the UNTAB scheme is an initiative of the Department of School Education with technical support by the Information Technology Department, under which 12,300 tablets with preloaded online and offline content including textbooks, video lectures and online class applications would be distributed to government school students from class 6th to 12th. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman announced an allocation of the state of Goa for celebrating the 60th anniversary of the liberation from Portuguese rule? The correct answer is B, that is rupees 300 crore. Goa celebration Diamond Jubilee years of state liberation from Portuguese rules from Government of India. He proposed to grant 300 crore to Government of Goa for celebration. Who won the Best Actor in the prestigious Dadasaheb Phalke International Film Festival Awards 2021? The correct answer is D, that is Deepika Padukone. She get the Best Actor in the Female in the prestigious Dadasaheb Phalke International Film Festival Award for her movie Chhapak. Which of the following players won the Belinda Clark Award in Australian Award 2021? The correct answer is C, that is Beth Money. Australia's star batsman Steve Smith and Women's T20 World Cup hero Beth Money have bagged the highest honor at the 2021 Australia Cricket Awards. Moni won the 9th Belinda Clark Award and just the 4th player to since 2013 to get the honor. Who among the following was appointed as the acting chief of staff in the US Space Agency NASA? The correct answer is A, that is Bhavya Lal. So Bhavya Lal has been appointed as the acting chief of staff of the US Space Agency by National Aeronautics and Space and Administration. Who won the women's single title in Australian Open 2021 in tennis? The correct answer is B, that is Naomi Osaka. Naomi Osaka won her 4th Grand Slam title, adding a second Melbourne crown to her twin US Open trumps after beating USA's Jennifer Brady 6-4, 6-3 in the 2021 Australian Open women's single. RBI has constituted an 8-member expert committee for strengthening the urban cooperative banks. The committee will be chaired by which of the following persons? The correct answer is D, that is N.S. Vishwanathan. So RBI appointed expert committee on UCBs released on 23rd August 2021. N.S. Vishwanathan, the chair of the expert committee on primary cooperative banks and currently senior fellow at the Center for Public Policy at IIMB and Professor MS. Which of the following ministries has launched the pilot Payjal Survekshan under Jal Jeevan Mission Urban? The correct answer is C, that is Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. They launched the Payjal Survekshan survey under the Jal Jeevan Mission, and this survey is conducted on a pilot basis in 10 cities, that is Agra, Badlapur, Bhubaneswar, Churu, Kochi, Madurai, Patiala, Rohtak, Surat and Tumkur. Which of the following countries has launched a Green Pass system which allows people who have been vaccinated to access public facilities that would otherwise be off limits? The correct answer is D, that is Israel. So Israel launches Green Pass for people with vaccination certificate which allows people who have been vaccinated to access public facilities that would otherwise be off limits. Which of the following city metro has become the first metro to use ultraviolet rays to sanitize metro train coaches? The correct answer is E, that is Lucknow Metro. So Lucknow Metro became the first metro in the country to use ultraviolet rays to sanitize train coaches. The Confederation of Indian Industry, that is CII, has estimated the GDP of India to grow an % in the fiscal year, that is financial year 2021-22. So the correct answer is B, that is 9.5. So the Confederation of Indian Industry has estimated the gross domestic product of India to grow at 9.5%. The country's largest private sector general insurer, ICICI Lombard, has tied up with Dash to strengthen and automate the quality control processes and to screen its daily service calls made by customer service reps. The correct answer is D, that is Microsoft. So, country's largest private sector general insurer ICICI Lombard has tied up with Microsoft to strengthen and automate the quality control processes. And the insurer will make use of Microsoft speech service and natural language processing to screen its daily service calls made by customer service. Which of the following bank has launched the Pay Your Contact, the new feature that enables its customer to send money or make payment to any of their contacts across all payment apps simply by the beneficiary mobile number? The correct answer is A, that is Kotak Mahindra Bank. Kotak Mahindra Bank mobile banking app that uses the unified payment interface platform and allow customer to send money or make payment to any of their contacts across all payment apps simply by entering the beneficiary's mobile number. Which of the following banks have joined the Cracku to provide existing and former employees of the bank and their family members with Cracku signature corporate health and wellness plan during the COVID-19 pandemic? The correct answer is B, that is Indian Bank. So, Indian Bank and healthcare company Cracku have joined hand to provide existing and former employees of the bank and their family members with Cracku signature corporate health and wellness plan during the COVID-19 pandemic. Which of the following private general insurer has launched the Corporate India Risk Index? The correct answer is C, that is ICICI Lombard General Insurance Company Limited. So, private general insurer ICICI Lombard has launched the Corporate India Risk Index. This is intended to be unified standardized corporate risk index that spans industry and companies. State Bank of India has tied up with which of the following US bank to use its blockchain technology to speed up overseas transaction? The correct answer is E, that is JP Morgan. So, State Bank of India has tied up with JP Morgan to use the US bank's blockchain technology to speed up overseas transaction, and this tie-up is expected to reduce SBI customers' transaction cost and time taken for payment sources. Transaction cost and time taken for payments. Hope this video will help you in your preparations. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment to our channel. Press the bell icon for instant notification. Thank you. All the best.